Hi, this is James. Have a bunch of models on printables, and here's one more for you. I just picked up this Holy Stone HS720E locally. It was used. Lady's husband didn't want anything to do with it, so I got it. But I researched it waiting after I was looking at it, and it's a great drone. But I noticed they're really squat to the ground, and there's a couple of ski packages I've seen on that clip onto them. I think there's one on printables, but I didn't like them because they were all one unit. They didn't print very well. So I made this, got on the computer, and came up with this. This is the shape of the side of the drone, and this is the underneath. The optical flow sensor goes to the rear, and the two lights will be to the front. I've got this notch out where it dips down in the front here. I guess I actually have, it'd be like for this dip up here, this is what that cutout is for. But anyways, this slides in. And hopefully this side won't bite me and slides in. And of course it won't focus now. Let's see if this side will slide in for me. There it goes. Okay. Now, it doesn't seem like it's that rigid, but it really is. It's quite a solid joint. And once it goes onto the unit, it really gets nice. Okay, the skis I have, one is there for each side. Had a brim on it, so there's a little piece of the brim flying around there somewhere. But one for each side. You can see it's flat on the bottom, and they're grooved. And here I have kind of a ball, so it's a ball joint. I had to put a piece of tape on this side. It was a little bit loose, but they're exactly the same part. I just printed them twice, but you know, nothing's the same in the 3D world. This slides on and it stops here. Go to the other side. Same way. Whoa. Well, see, it's got a little bit of give in it, which I wanted it to, because if it's too tight, oh, crap, put it on wrong. Hold on, bear with me here. It's hard to do things on the back side of this camera. Okay, there we go. And then this will slide in here. Maybe. Okay, now the unit's all together, and this neat little ski setup. And when you get them together, you see the bottoms are flat, so it gets nice and set. Everything should go through fine. Okay. Take the bottom of the unit. Yeah. And get one side started. And then it kind of just snaps up in there. And then you hear it snap on. Okay, it's really solid. As a matter of fact, I'll hold the drone upside down. I was really surprised how solid it is, actually. But like I say, you can't put a rubber band across the top here, which I did have at one time. And of course, I can't find the rubber band now. But the rubber band will just go across there really nice. But now you have a vehicle it's not right down on the ground. And it's pretty stable. I mean, it's not got a lot of give, but yet it does. Oh, that one slid on me. I'm going to have to put a piece of tape on that one now. That one's loosened up. See, I just put a little bit on there. It's not going to take much. It's not going to fly off. I put Scotch tape and then put an X-Acto knife and trimmed off the extra to shim it up. But if you need a shim, then that's the way to go. But yeah, pretty cool, huh? Neato.